According to the EFCC in the charge, Jide OMOKHORE is alleged to have used the strategic alliance agreement signed between the NPDC and Atlantic Energy Drilling Concept Limited to swindle the NPDC and the Nigerian government of monies running into billions of dollars through the lifting of crude oil from some oil wells between March 2013 and May 2014. Others charged with him, Victor Briggs, Abiye Memebere, David Mbanefo, and Atlantic Energy Drilling Concepts Limited. When the matter was called on Monday, the defense counsel, Lawal Rabana, in his observation, said that the original charge was only served on the defendant last week, and one of the defendants, Kolawole Aluko, presently on the run, is not included in the amended charge. Other defense counsel Tayo Yetibo, Professor Akishaye George, Afamusigwe also aligned themselves with the submissions, but the prosecution counsel Rotimi Jacobs informed the court that there was an amendment in the earlier charge and Aluko's name is not on the face of the new charge because he is at large and he cannot be served with the charges. Therefore, arraignment of others cannot be stalled. In a ruling, Justice Binta Nyako held that a person charged ought to be notified of the charge against him, and so the case was not right for hearing. Shortly after the ruling, Jacob swiftly applied to the court to strike out the names of Kolawole Aluko and Desiani Maduike's name on an application not opposed by the defense counsel and granted by Justice Nyako. Justice Nyako also admitted the defendants to bail in the sum of 500 million naira, one surety each in like sum. The surety must be a senior civil service officer or own a property in Abuja.
The affair is that they will be sent to prison on because of the holiday, that before the time they will perfect their bail. So they were trying not to put all sort of obstacles against arraignment.
The parties have had several meetings with a view to reconciling figures. And as I'm talking to you today, parties are still meeting to reconcile figures.
Meanwhile, the trial of Robert AZIBAOLA, cousin to former President Goodluck Jonathan, resumed with a principal witness, Ibrahim Mahe, telling the Federal High Court that only the detained former National Security Advisor, Colonel Sambo Dasuki, can explain why OnePlus Holdings Limited got a $40 million pipeline security contract. Mahe, who recently retired as Permanent Secretary Special Services Operations in the NSA's office, told the court that he paid OnePlus $40 million out of $600 million Special Security Fund sourced from the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation. Mahe, however, denied being part of any bidding process for the procurement of security gadgets, saying his responsibility only entailed disbursing monies already approved for security contracts. The trial has been adjourned to October 6 for continuation. WUMI Obaburi, AIT News, Abuja.